Thursday, June 29th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Penultimate day here in the month of June, and we're squeezing in a pretty quiet day before we're back to the muggy stuff coming up. And also back to the scattered shower and thunderstorm chances as we get into tomorrow as well. There's a look during the 5 o'clock hour from our Greensboro tower camera. Quiet this morning across the Piedmont of North Carolina. The Dowd YMCA camera in uptown Charlotte also looking pretty quiet there. As we start the day, temperature at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport, 66 degrees. Dew point still fairly low at 58 degrees early this morning. Still had a pretty nice day over the eastern part of the country yesterday. In fact, it was a really, really nice day with low humidity and a good deal of sunshine in the Carolinas, but the warmer and the muggier air kind of lurking off to the west, and it's beginning to get on the move. Yesterday, 84 degrees, the high temperature in Charlotte. That was 4 below the average of 88. Greensboro's high temperature 82. That's 5 below the average of 87 degrees. And it was a lot of 80s across the region for those highs yesterday. There's your Triad area high temperatures, lower side of the 80s. Charlotte viewing area, the Piedmont low and mid 80s, a little bit cooler up in the mountain areas. And that Boone temperature sensor, by the way, remains offline. Radar is quiet overall this morning. Couple of showers kind of showing up here and the escarpment there region, the southwestern parts of North Carolina. And that's a sign of the atmosphere just beginning to try to moisten up a bit as we move forward in time. There's your winds. And notice that more southerly flow of the wind here across the lower Mississippi Valley in the deep south. That is the muggier air that's going to begin to get on the move as high pressure heads out into the Atlantic Ocean. That south and southwest flow takes over in the Carolinas, and the muggy stuff returns. And in that muggy air, you have these areas of rain and thunderstorms through the Gulf Coast region. There's a little disturbance right here in Louisiana, and that's going to lift northeastward. You can kind of pick that up on the high resolution modeling. Here it is right here, that counterclockwise swirl. And as that moves northeastward, probably going to bring around to some showers and storms to the Carolinas late tonight and especially into Friday. Now, let's watch what happens with the dew point temperatures. These are the European model dew point temperatures at noon today. So still pretty low dew points over at least North Carolina at lunchtime today. But notice as we move forward in time into tomorrow and the weekend, that really muggy stuff is back. And so we're looking at 70-degree plus dew points trying to make their return as we get into the weekend. So back to that much muggier type of weather setup. There's that southwesterly flow. Now, again, I think we hold on to a pretty low humidity day today and a day that features a good deal of sunshine for most of the Carolinas. But watch those clouds build in tonight as the atmosphere moistens up. Here's your highs today. A little bit warmer, slightly muggier than yesterday, but still not bad at all. Now, as we get into your Friday, we're back into that soupy air. So we're back into the mugginess. We're back into the areas of showers and thunderstorms. Here's the Futurecast modeling, and really even tomorrow morning we could have some scattered showers and storms around as that disturbance from Louisiana moves in. So scattered showers and thunderstorms for your Friday. Temperatures held in check due to clouds as well as shower and thunderstorm chances tomorrow. And then as we get into the weekend, we're really in that soupy air. Weak cold front kind of easing our way from the northwest. And so I think on Saturday and even Sunday, too, scattered thunderstorms, and the heat is going to be building. I still think by Sunday, a lot of us 90 or better in the Piedmont, and I'm still going with the idea of low and mid-90s with mostly dry weather, actually, for Monday and the 4th of July. On Tuesday, just kind of summertime stuff, only a couple of isolated afternoon storms and the heat building with those highs into the 90s. There's your Saturday high temperatures around the region. Tropics, all is quiet, no signs of any trouble across the Atlantic Basin. Still watching the waves emerging off of Africa, but it's still a little bit early in the season to have any huge concerns from those waves emerging from there near Africa or the Cape Verde Islands. If you're heading to the coast, not a washout by any means, but I do think tomorrow and into the weekend we're back to the pattern that favors these scattered showers and thunderstorms. So scattered thunderstorm opportunities up and down the coast over the weekend with high temperatures in the 80s, and in the mountains, same deal, scattered showers and thunderstorms, but 70s for highs as we get into tomorrow in the weekend as well. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.